What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna help you out with the CBS app crashing on your phone, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically, as you know, all the apps are suitable for crashing on your mobile devices, but what we need to know is how to fix that issue and prevent it from happening ever again. So there are a couple of tips and tricks which I'm gonna give you in a second. So if you are an iPhone user, what you can do is from the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, pausing slightly in the middle. Swipe right or left to find the CBS app, then swipe up on the apps preview to close the app. If you use an older iPhone, which is iPhone 10 or previous, from the home screen, quickly press home button twice. A list of running apps should now show the screen. Simply swipe up the app to close each app's background task and press the home button again to return to the home screen. So those are some of the tips and tricks for the iPhone users. If you use an Android phone, what you need to do is force close the CBS app. From the home screen, tap the hamburger menu, which is 3 lines at the bottom left of the screen. Swipe up to close the CBS app, or just click close all to exit all opened apps. So basically by doing this, you are going to the bottom left corner and typing these 3 lines. Over here, what you can do is close the CBS app. So overall, guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to foreclose and how to fix the CBS app crashing. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.